What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about a name that's pretty much impossible to ignore in the tech world, Elon Musk. Love him or have your opinions, you can't deny the man is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He's the mind behind some of the most ambitious projects of our time. Electric cars that redefine performance, rockets that are literally aiming for Mars. He's an innovator, an engineer, an entrepreneur, and he's not afraid to bet big on the future. And when I say bet big, I mean really big. It got me thinking about the sheer scale of investment and engineering that goes into turning these futuristic ideas into reality. These aren't just minor upgrades or simple gadgets. They are massive, industry-shifting endeavors. They cost billions and take years, sometimes decades, to develop. They represent a fundamental rethinking of how we do things. Driving, communicating, thinking. So, for this video, I've put together a list. We're going to dive deep into the 10 most recent and expensive inventions and projects from Elon Musk. We'll break down what makes them so innovative, how much they actually cost, what their impact could be on all of us. Kicking things off at number 10, the Tesla Cybertruck. From its sci-fi stainless steel exoskeleton to the infamous armor glass demo, it's one of the most talked about vehicles ever. The ultra-hard steel provides incredible durability, but is incredibly difficult and expensive to manufacture. Bringing this design to mass production is a monumental financial undertaking, a massive gamble that people are ready for a truck that looks straight out of a movie. Coming in at number 9 is something that makes even the Cybertruck look conventional. The SpaceX Starship. This isn't just a rocket, it's a fully reusable transportation system, designed to carry crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, beyond. If you've seen the test launches, you know the scale. Tallest and most powerful rocket ever built. Its goal, making humanity multiplanetary. Key innovation, full and rapid reusability. Super Heavy booster, Starship spacecraft. Both designed to land back on Earth and be ready for another launch very quickly. Holy grail of rocketry. Could reduce space access costs by a factor of 100 or even 1,000. A paradigm shift from disposable rockets. Development is mind-bogglingly expensive. Powered by the new Raptor engines, a feat of engineering, burning methalox, liquid methane, liquid oxygen. Building the launch and catch tower, Mechazilla and Starbase infrastructure has been a multi-billion-dollar project. Every test flight gives invaluable data, but also a hefty price tag. Estimated development costs, several billion with projections over 10 billion. A long-term investment that sounds like science fiction, but each test flight gets them closer. Not just satellites, building cities on another planet. Financial and engineering scale is almost hard to comprehend. At number 8, the Tesla Model S Plaid. A familiar sedan injected with absurd performance. Its core innovation, a tri-motor powertrain that lets this family car out-accelerate hypercars. The result is a 0 to 60 time of under 2 seconds. Creating this flagship was a multi-hundred-million-dollar endeavor, making the Plaid a statement that electric cars can deliver performance internal combustion engines simply can't match. Number 7 is Neuralink, one of Musk's most ambitious ventures, a high-bandwidth brain-machine interface. A tiny coin-sized device connects to ultra-thin threads, surgically inserted into the brain by a specialized robot. The initial aim is helping people with paralysis control computers with their thoughts. The long-term goal? A symbiotic relationship between humans and AI. The R&D investment is massive, with costs approaching $1 billion to reach human trials. At number 6, the Tesla Semi. For decades, diesel has dominated long-haul trucking. The Semi aims to prove an all-electric solution is superior, with a claimed range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, even when fully loaded. The main challenge is the battery. Powering a massive truck for that distance requires an enormous battery pack. Developing this, plus the megacharger network to refuel it, is a huge engineering and financial hurdle, with costs climbing into the billions. It's a bet to disrupt an essential industry, with a transformative impact on emissions and logistics. For our number 5 spot, we're looking to the skies again with another SpaceX project, Starlink. Its goal is to provide high-speed, low-latency internet to every corner of the globe by creating a massive constellation of small satellites in low Earth orbit. This offers a connection that feels much more like fiber. The project requires launching thousands of satellites, with a total investment that could reach $30 billion, making it one of the most expensive private enterprise projects in history. Coming in at number 4 are the Tesla Gigafactories. Musk often says the factory is the product, the machine that builds the machine. These colossal hubs use innovations like the Gigapress to create large, single pieces of the car's body, rethinking manufacturing to drive down costs and make EVs more affordable. Each is a multi-billion-dollar investment, a massive capital expenditure essential to Tesla's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. At number 3, the Boring Company aims to solve soul-destroying traffic with underground tunnels. Its Vegas loop uses Teslas to turn a 25-minute walk into a 2-minute ride. The real innovation is making tunneling dramatically faster and cheaper by developing powerful, all-electric tunnel boring machines and using a smaller tunnel diameter, which exponentially cuts costs. It's a pricey bet on a subterranean solution, with the real expense in the R&D needed to unlock its long-term vision. For our runner-up at number 2, we're looking at an invention that hides in plain sight: the Tesla solar roof. This isn't just slapping solar panels on your roof. The solar roof is the roof itself. Textured glass tiles, solar tiles with embedded cells, non-solar tiles that look identical. From the street, a beautiful, high-end architectural roof, not a science project. The elegance of the integration is the key innovation. A major barrier to solar adoption: aesthetics. Many people dislike traditional solar panels. The solar roof makes the energy tech invisible. Tempered glass tiles, incredibly durable. Tesla claims they're 3 times stronger than standard roofing tiles. A roof that powers your home and protects it for decades. Big challenges: manufacturing. Big challenges: installation. Hurdle: develop a durable tile. Hurdle: develop an efficient tile. Hurdle: develop an aesthetically pleasing tile. Installation is far more complex than a standard roof or standard solar install. Tesla trains and certifies installers. They've iterated through several tile versions to streamline install and cut costs. The cost is significant, often much more than a new roof plus traditional solar panels combined. R&D on tiles, R&D on manufacturing process, R&D on installation logistics, likely well over $1 billion. It's a premium product and a huge investment. Sustainable tech must be not just functional, but beautiful. And that brings us to number 1, Optimus, the Tesla bot. This humanoid robot is designed to perform unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks, aiming to solve labor shortages. The key innovation is leveraging Tesla's self-driving AI. The same technology that navigates a car helps the robot navigate the real world, using Tesla's full self-driving computer. Musk believes Optimus could become more significant than Tesla's car business. With development costs projected in the many billions, it represents the ultimate long-term bet on a future powered by AI and robotics. So, there you have it. 10 of the most recent, most expensive, and most ambitious projects from Elon Musk. Cybertruck, Optimus, Starship, Tesla Semi, Neuralink, Starlink, Hyperloop, Boring Company tunnels, solar roof, full self-driving. It's clear he isn't interested in small, incremental changes. Each of these inventions represents a massive swing for the fences, a willingness to tackle incredibly hard engineering problems, backed by billions in funding. The scale is staggering, reshaping transportation on the ground, reshaping transportation in the air, reshaping transportation underground, aiming to connect the entire planet, redefining our relationship with technology, pushing into our own biology. It's a portfolio of innovation almost unparalleled. Will all these bets pay off? Maybe not. but the audacity and impact are undeniable. But now I want to hear from you. Which of these inventions or projects impressed you the most? Starship, Tesla Semi, Neuralink? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.